Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm taking you along as I put together my greenhouse, and I'm super excited that it's finally here because I've got a bunch of beautiful garden plants that I be showing you as well. And I'm giving you a review about this greenhouse. It's a cheap one, and I don't know if I am allowed to say the name of the shop. And afterwards I am going to show you what my new plants are. I got some new flowers and some new herbs and a few trees. As you can see here, I got my greenhouse to another place in the yard because it has more shade here, because that's very important if you have a lot of cuttings. This is the greenhouse, and as you can see I pulled a rope around here. The greenhouse has mesh panels, but I couldn't get the mesh to stay in place properly. It kept falling off, so I ended up tying it down with some string. As you can see here, there was supposed to be notches or slots where the mesh would fit, but this mesh didn't have any. That's why I did it this way, just to make sure everything stays in place properly. This mesh stays in place quite nicely, but the ones on the sides aren't designed very well. They really should have added some notches to keep everything in place. So this is the greenhouse now with the plastic cover on it. It's a fun one to start with, but I'm a bit worried it might be too small for me. As you can see here, it's not fully sealed off, which is a bit of a shame. But on the other hand, at least there's always some fresh air coming in. This is my Spanish daisy. I keep it in my greenhouse for a little while because it's going to freeze for a few nights. This is my hibiscus, my hydrangea, my iris, and my coniflower plant seeds. This is my new lavender, because my previous one has died, and I got another one in my greenhouse. I will show you soon. This is my greenhouse now. It's all full, as you can see, and it is a bit too small for me, I think. Well, this is my new these two you already seen. This is my new lavender, also another one. This is the Agapanthus something, but it is a bit dry, so I have to water it. These are my Sansevieriums. I like the black pointy things. This is my hydrangea. And this is what you also have seen already. This is my... These are all cuttings of the devil's ivy. And these are all cuttings of hydrangea. As you can see, I have a bit of space, but it's already full, as I was afraid of. But I'm going to show you what my new plants are now. These are very beautiful. These have purple and orange, pink and yellow flowers. Very cute. There is semen. orange purple. Then we have this one. This is a Trichirtis hirta. This is the plant. And this is the Echinacea pink. This is another one, but this is a red one. And it's a little cutting, as you can see. Now we're going to here, and you can see what color I like, the blue, purple. This is the Campanula, the purple one. I like the flowers. And this one as well, Felicitata. Also blue flowers, and this one is more blue in real life than on camera. This is the Litodora diffusa. And my herbs, I got some oregano. And one that I had previously, but it died. This is menta. And these are my new plants in my greenhouse. Now, these are my new herbs. The previous ones died as well. This is my new tree, cherry tree. As you can see, there are a lot new shoots coming, so that is a good thing. It's growing very well. Very glad with it. As you can see here, all new. Very cool. This is my new rhubarb. This is the red champagne, and I have another one that's also new. This is also a new one. This is the Holsteiner blood. It's also growing very well. This is a rhododendron. I don't know what species it is, but as you can see, it has no blooms anymore, but a few. This is my passion flower. I don't know which one it is, but I have the red one and the white one. It's growing very well. The other one does not, because all the leaves are gone. So it has been eaten by snails, I guess. These are also new, and I'm going to put the name in the screen because I don't know the name. And in the corner I have another one. These are my irises. This one too, and that one too. And in the back we have the hydrangeas, the 3 ones. And I also pruned it a little while ago. These are also new, and I put the name in the subtitles here because I don't know the name. But I have 6 of them, and they are all spread in my garden. This is my new rose. It is the color red and yellow. And this one is a little bush cutting that I have. It's a pretty one because it has a lot of yellow and green. This is a hydrangea. I don't know which one it is, but I'm hoping it's going to bloom this year so I can see which one it is. This is also a new one, and I don't know what it is. I have to figure it out first. I don't know. If you know the name, tell me, please. This is my new strawberry species. This is the Ostara fracaria times ananassa. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.